Ababwatani abo bagochegusira chimbero cha marathon cha Lewa basiorire Etunda ya 25 noyo moye chimbero icho chirachigokoreka ensemo ya Northern Kenya mutinyo gatano limo umwaka oyiga okwana na barairit kuria rero korwa muchio Nairobi ababwatani abo nigo batebire obuya bwe chimbero icho na gukwanere kerenge kenene ky'umurubiri oyo koirwa ensemo ya Northern Kenya na kwene kyabamenyi barabe bakoigwa bari buna chinsemo chinde Sebona batebire imbere cyo NIGO chikorenda eyamate nakogaya no kungusana na kwabere gokwenikigwa egatiye chingiti chiro sana nabo igo abamenye muri kito Linet Nyambane namange
ababwatani abo bakwarigania amaminyoko y'echimbero cha marathon amanyekanete buna Lewa Safari Marathon babwatokire oroboti omubaso bwerit koria rero asebararirie emeroberio yabekirio eri kwenekia chimbere cyo chigokorwa kero mwaka ngo chichire goikerana.
Why have we been consistent over the last 26 years? Because ultimately it ties back perfectly with our purpose of transforming lives. So if you look at the communities in that region and the places we've been able to impact, it's everything from wildlife conservancy to education, to health, to economic empowerment in that region. So all things that transform lives. So from a conservation point of view, for example, it is how are we working with people in the region to make sure that the crops of the people are not, because there's always this animal human conflict. So how are we making sure that we're empowering those in the region, leveraging technology to make sure that that doesn't happen? Or how are we empowering farmers in the region to make sure that they have the right tools, the right tech delivered via phone to make sure that they're able to thrive and use modern technology methods.
Ukwana kurwa ase omuchio Nairobi ababwatani abo nigo batebire gwetera amaminyoka yo nigo banyare ko bakurwa ogosira gochia ase chiamate chiri chitari kwenyara nabo igo nigo banyare ko bagosira chiskuru ao imeyense nonye nabo nigo batebire chimbero cy'umwaka oyiga nigo chigo cyo kubwaterania abasaye bekegoriegeke.
If you think about it, we recently launched Citizens of the Future, so it's something that we're super passionate about. We have the Lewa education program as well, where we've invested a lot to support 28 schools. I think around 60,000 students have been impacted positively. It's about making sure that they have the right digital tools, digital learning, digital boards and all of that will ensure that they're able to compete with students on the global stage. So it's a lot more. Obviously conservation is a key part of it, but there's a lot more that is enabled because of the work that happens at Lewa.
Very happy and excited as the host, as the conservancy. We want to welcome everyone for the 26th edition, and we believe this time round is going to be different because we want to power the young people. We want to also to look back and see the gains that we have had over the last 25 years because we have come of age. So yeah, it is going to be greater.
Chimbere chyo chigo chia kominyokwa egati yabo ne chimbero che kilomita 42 enusu ye marathon kilomita 200 na yemo nabo igo kilomita 10 abana bagochikonyora libagario kominyoka kilomita 5 echo chigo chigokorekana chitariki 25 omotienywa gatano nomo umwaka oyiga ensemo ya wildlife conservancy eyo gotoka ime ya Northern Kenya.
We expect still to have about 1,400 to 1,500 runners, but we expect the number of spectators can grow from 5,000 to 10,000, and we hope that the weather will also be conducive, just like it's been raining. So, and we'll have both different people running from various continents. So we expect over 20 nationalities from different continents coming to run to celebrate the 26th edition. We will be having elite athletes into this race of the 26th, and just like we've launched today, the list is going to be released very shortly. We want to keep it as a secret, but we'll have elite runners coming to help also give an example to the young runners that are forming.
Because the most basic things around communication. But when you go up to Northern Kenya, you take it for granted that you can communicate. And some places don't have network still, but the majority of the country does have very good network now, and it's really critical, right, for rangers to communicate with themselves, with their operational bases, with residents, to really quickly respond whenever there's a threat, whether it's a threat of human-wildlife conflict, whether it's a threat of poaching or anything else. So even just a very basic communication network has changed a lot, and that's had a very, very big impact.
Koripoteria en Soko TV, Retaria ne